Okay, we're going to install some pedals on this brand new Priority 600 bike. So we're going to start by flipping it upside down, grabbing our pedals of choice, and if they're the ones that come with the bike, that's cool too. So once you get your pedals of choice, go ahead and grab a little bit of chain oil if you have it, or any kind of oil, and just lubricate the threads a little bit, and then hand tighten them in. Next you'll use a pedal wrench to get them nice and snug. I'll put a link to that pedal wrench in the description, and then do the next one. It's very important to start these by hand if you can, because the threads are in soft aluminum and you don't want to cross thread them if you can help it. The first time you thread pedals into a bike, you need to be as careful as you can, because there might be paint on the threads from when the cranks were first painted. So just be careful, get those threads started nicely, and you're gonna have a good time. Make sure you get the pedals nice and snug though with your pedal wrench, because you don't ever want loose pedals on a bike you're gonna ride. Then you can go ahead and clean off any grease or dust off the pedals you add, and you're ready to go.